Welcome. Today I will show you how to download and install Google Chrome, one of the fastest and most popular web browser. First, open any browser you already have installed. It could be Microsoft Edge, Safari, or Firefox, but for me I will use Microsoft Edge for today. Once it opened, in the search bar type Google Chrome download. And click enter. Look for the official link that say Google Chrome download is the fast secure browser from the Google. Click on the link. Once page is download, click on the blue button that say download Chrome. Open the file. A window will pop up asking you if you want to allow this app to make change. Click yes and continue. Chrome will install and save. This may take a few time. Okay, once the installation is complete, Chrome will automatically open. If it doesn't, you can find it on your desktop or in your startup menu. And with that, you have successfully downloaded and installed Google Chrome. Enjoy a faster and more successful browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorial. See you in the next video.